Attention, Jamaica! A nationwide search is now underway for Jaden Smith, who has been missing since Friday, September 26, 2025. He was last seen in the afternoon near Perth Road in Manchester, wearing a brown khaki school uniform, the same one you see in this photo. If you've seen Jaden or know anything about his whereabouts, please contact the police immediately at 119. Let's come together to help bring Jaden home safely. Right now on Jamaica News Page Today, the Holness administration under fire. The government facing backlash after announcing plans to loan 50 generators to small businesses struggling to recover from Hurricane Melissa's devastation.
We're going to start with 50 in the most impacted and remote communities. We will loan them the generators. But of course, there will be some requirements.
Plus, the Ministry of Labor and Social Security is pushing back today, setting the record straight after viral claims suggested IDs or TRNs were needed to collect hurricane relief packages.
When them start feed people and then become dependent, there will be qualifications for you to continue getting this feeding. You'll have to present ID, but maybe you don't have ID washway. The needs will make it easier for you.
And social media influencer Kim King is speaking out, blasting the government's relief response.
I said the two on sit down on the hierarchy up a long mouth now and make some incompetent and some useless decision when I serve the Jamaican people. Them are Jamaican, no good, none at all.
Jamaica News Page Today is powered by viewers like you. Please click subscribe and tap the notification bell to stay informed. Thank you for subscribing. Jamaica News Page Today starts right now. Prime Minister Dr. the Most Honorable Andrew Holness is facing backlash from social media users after announcing a plan to loan 50 generators to small businesses struggling to recover from Hurricane Melissa's devastation.
We're going to start with 50 in the most impacted and remote communities. We will loan them the generators. But of course, there will be some requirements for compliance issues and to ensure that there are established operations that we can enter into cooperation with. So, of course, we would have to verify that they are a legitimate operation. So we would ask the JPs, the police, and other established persons in the area to vouch for their credibility.
The initiative, announced by Prime Minister Andrew Holness, targets what the government calls legitimate small enterprises in the hardest-hit and most remote areas across Jamaica. Some social media users questioned why the generators were being loaned instead of donated.
How can they ship hundreds of generators to Jamaica for the people them who suffer? You see me and bro God decide for loan the people them 50 out of it? Will you explain that to me, please? I may not get it.
You were given these generators to give to the people that was affected by Hurricane Melissa, and you gonna say you're gonna loan them 50 out of that 400. That is crazy, Andrew Holness. I don't know what you are doing with these aid that you get from this country to support the persons that are affected by Hurricane Melissa, because so many things seem to be going missing. I don't know what your government is doing to help these people.
So the generators that was donated to Jamaica, right? Me a person I said they are to give to individual person in the community, like household. That don't make no sense. And most of the person when I talk, me know them that they are Jamaica. Most of the person when I talk, them I talk politics. And politics nothing of this. We have to take in consideration, say, majority of person, especially in Westmoreland, don't have a house. Don't have no house, including my family. Majority of them don't have a house. But what you can find is probably a supermarket was still standing. Probably the community center still standing. The schools, primary, all age, high school, those schools. And yes, that's the best place for the generators to go. Make no sense to give it to individual person. Some of them can't even afford to buy gas to put in a generator.
At some point, we will transition to a voucher or a coupon system where instead of carrying the bag of relief items, you will get something that is equivalent to cash, and you can go to your nearest shop in your area where we will stock and supply them and you get your items.
The Ministry of Labor and Social Security is pushing back against false claims spreading on social media.
Jamaica, the minister knows that it's all about control. The man are telling about voucher system. The man knows that whoever control the food, control the people. Vulture system. Ready to fly down pan we know about voucher system. When them start feed people and then become dependent, there will be qualifications for you to continue getting this feeding. You'll have to present ID when maybe you don't have ID washway. The needs will make it easier for you. You'll have to present something that show that you're from the affected area. Don't worry about it, man. The needs will make it easier for you. The man know in the long run, if you don't comply, you will not be getting this voucher in the long run. The man say, yo, watcha, he might go implement something where seem like a voucher or a cashless system. You know, hear that part there? Something will represent cash. You know, you realize a cashlessness, the man a push at that time agenda.
The ministry says reports that people must present IDs or taxpayer registration numbers, TRNs, to collect hurricane relief packages are completely false. However, officials explained that identification may be requested during household damage assessments, a separate process meant to verify homeowners before long-term aid or compensation is provided. Meanwhile, Permanent Secretary Dion Jennings says the ministry continues to adjust its requirements to fit the realities on the ground, ensuring that no affected individual is left behind. The news never stops, and neither do we. Here's what's ahead on Jamaica News Page today. Social media influencer Keem King takes aim at Prime Minister Andrew Holness and his wife, Speaker of the House Juliette Holness, blasting both leaders for what he calls a lack of hands-on help in hurricane-hit communities.
Because you can tell me, say, from Hurricane Melissa blow and damage the people them well-being in a Jamaica, all now Andrew Holness and him wife, Juliette Holness, now put on them water boat, get them team, get some power saw, get some machete, and walk in at the disaster-affected areas. You can tell me.
Share your thoughts regarding the question of the day. Should generators be loaned or donated to small businesses affected by Hurricane Melissa? The news never stops, and neither do we. Stay with us for more news. Jamaica News Page Today is powered by viewers like you. Don't forget to click subscribe and tap the notification bell to stay informed. Thank you for subscribing. Now, back to the news. New details on the staggering toll left behind by Hurricane Melissa. Government officials now confirm that more than 120,000 buildings across western Jamaica have lost their roofs, leaving tens of thousands of families displaced and communities struggling to rebuild. Nearly 2 weeks after the Category 5 storm tore through the island, the Office of Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management, ODPEM, says only about 36,000 meal packages have been distributed so far. But the agency's new Director General, Commander Alvin Gale, insists that no one will be left behind. Gale revealed that 27 communities remain cut off, most of them in the rugged terrain of St. Elizabeth, St. James, and Trelawney. So far, emergency teams have managed to reach 22 of those areas, with efforts continuing to access the remaining 5. ODPEM is now coordinating with the Jamaica Defense Force, international partners, and local volunteers to deliver food, clean water, and medical supplies. As Jamaica continues to recover from Hurricane Melissa, social media influencer Keem King is calling out Prime Minister Andrew Holness and his wife, Speaker of the House Juliette Holness, accusing both leaders of being out of touch and not doing enough on the ground to help storm-hit communities.
I said the two on sit down pan a hierarchy up a long mount now and make some incompetent and some useless decision when I serve the Jamaican people. Them are Jamaican no good, none at all. Because you can tell me, say, from Hurricane Melissa blow and damage the people them well-being in a Jamaica, all now Andrew Holness and him wife, Juliette Holness, now put on them water boat, get them team, get some power saw, get some machete, and walk in at the disaster-affected areas. You can tell me, instead of this man going to the communities, them go reassure the people, them make the people them know, say, guess what? All's not gone. When the Prime Minister still there, and the Prime Minister gonna make it happen for no. Reassure the people them. Andrew Holness, as a labor right, you do not mean the people and the citizens of Jamaica no good. And the decision them wanna make, you and your wife, Juliette Holness, because me know say Juliette Holness are the unofficial and indirect Prime Minister of Jamaica. Me know say she make every decision in a Andrew Michael Holness head, and it's very obvious say Andrew is a woman clown.
And that's the news on Jamaica News Page Today, powered by viewers like you. Please click subscribe and tap the notification bell to stay informed. Thank you for watching and subscribing. We'll see you in the comments, and be sure to join us again for more news. Have a great day.